Oh, this is the biggest storm of the year, right, sweetie?
Yeah, it is. So just
What is it called? The name of it?
some kind of
Cyclone?
cyclone bomb.
Cyclone bomb winter storm.
Wow. 14
On this
inches
very
14 inches and counting.
14 inches and counting. On this very day of January
Wow.
January 4th, 2018. This is how we start the new year.
Wow.
Look at this. It's beautiful though, but thank God we're indoors. It's not gonna be beautiful if we're outdoors. Ay. Look at the staircase. Look at my feet. Look at my feet and look at the snow. Look at how the door opens and the inch. That's just at the doorstep. This is just the doorstep. It looks like the guy is plowing the snow. He's moving the red truck.
I don't think it's making any.
Is there a shovel in front of the truck that's
making
plowing the
any
snow? Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Thank God that we don't have to go to work, no school today. Just stay home, stay with my baby and my babies and eat and watch movies and snuggle and tell stories. This is the best part of this type of weather, where you have to stay home and just be lazy around.
It's very windy.
Yeah, it's very windy. Let me close the door.